Giggle, Mango.
It's a simple melody that most chill. Come again another day. Vegetables need the sunny light to grow up big and strong and bright. Carrots, beans, and lettuce too. Peas and pumpkins all brand new. Rain, rain, go away. Let the garden shine today. Raindrops help the veggies grow. But too much water, oh no, no, no. Sunny days, they need some more to make our veggies healthy and pure. Tomatoes red and peppers green, crisp cucumbers in between. Rain, rain, go away. Let the garden shine today. Raindrops help the veggies grow, but too much water, oh